Welcome to the Watch Connection, where time meets elegance and precision. Exclusive new and pre-owned watches. The Watch Connection in Costa Mesa, California, is your premier destination for luxury watches, jewelry, and expert service. For over 35 years, we've been connecting watch enthusiasts with exclusive, Swiss-made timepieces, rare collections, and high-quality pre-owned models. As a family-owned business, we pride ourselves on providing unmatched customer care, expert repairs, and a curated selection that caters to all price ranges. Your premier watch destination. Step into our nearly 3,000 square foot store and explore a carefully curated collection of watches from world-renowned brands. Whether you're seeking new Swiss-made timepieces or rare, pre-owned gems, we have something for every collector and enthusiast. High-end mechanical watches from exclusive brands, hard-to-find and highly sought-after models. A wide range of price points to suit any budget. With over 4 decades in business, we remain one of Orange County's few hands-on, family-operated watch retailers. Whether you're starting your collection or seeking a rare edition, our expert team is here to guide you every step of the way. Let the Watch Connection connect you to the world of luxury watches and exceptional service.